Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today, we're diving into a B1 level noun, the word claim. A claim means a demand for something as rightful. It signifies asserting a right or title to something, often involving a formal request. Think of it as declaring ownership or entitlement. In everyday language, we use claim in various contexts, from insurance claims to land claims. It's about stating your right to something you believe belongs to you or you deserve. So, let's break down the word claim. A claim is a statement that something is true, even if it hasn't been proven. It can also refer to a demand for something believed to be owed or due. For instance, you might file an insurance claim after a car accident, or you might make a claim about the benefits of exercise. Now, let's look at some synonyms for claim. One synonym is assertion. For example, her assertion that she was innocent surprised everyone. Another synonym is demand. The workers made a demand for higher wages. A third synonym is request. He sent in a request for a refund. Consider also right. She felt she had a right to the inheritance. Another suitable synonym is title. They possess the title to the land. Let's examine how these synonyms work in sentences to replace the word claim. Instead of saying he made a claim for damages, we could say he made an assertion of damages or he made a demand for damages. You can see how they capture the same essence of asserting a right or entitlement. Now, let's explore antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings, which help us further understand the nuances of claim. One antonym is denial. For example, he issued a denial of any involvement. Another antonym is rejection. The bank issued a rejection of her loan application. A third antonym is renunciation. She made a renunciation of her inheritance. Let's examine their use in sentences. Instead of saying, she made a claim for the property, we could contrast this with she issued a denial of any right to the property, or she made a renunciation of the property. The opposite of asserting a right is to deny or reject that right. Other useful antonyms include disclaimer. The company issued a disclaimer regarding the product's safety. Also, consider abandonment. The prospector's abandonment of the gold mine ended his dreams. Now, let's explore how we can use claim in everyday life. If you buy a faulty product, you can make a claim for a refund. In a debate, you make claims to support your arguments. A country can make a claim to a territory. It's used in casual conversations too. For example, I claim this seat, meaning you want to reserve it. Or, I claim the last slice of pizza, which is a humorous way of saying you want it. Here are some example sentences and phrases using claim. He filed a claim with the insurance company after the accident. The company has a valid claim to the patent. She claimed that she saw a ghost. The lawyer presented a strong claim on behalf of his client. They claimed responsibility for the attack. The government is investigating the land claims. The athlete made a bold claim that he would win the race. I don't claim to be an expert on the subject. She has no claim on my sympathy. His claim is based on circumstantial evidence. There is no substance to his claim. He has a legitimate claim. The miner staked a claim on the land. They had a legal claim to the property. He made a claim against the company for wrongful dismissal. The explorer made a claim to the newly discovered island. The claim of the missing heir was finally resolved. He made a claim on the affections of the beautiful lady. Let's have some more examples in conversation. Did you hear about Sarah? She's making a claim against her landlord for not fixing the heating. The company's claim that their product is environmentally friendly is being investigated. I claim dibs on the front seat. He is seeking to claim asylum in the UK. She refused to claim reprise. The claim was later withdrawn. The company made a substantial profit after the successful claim. We have a strong claim on that land. You have to back up your claim with evidence. It's a bold claim, but he might be right. The claim was rejected due to lack of proof. She won the court case based on her claim. This is my claim to fame. The claim is under review. He couldn't substantiate his claim. I claim victory. The police are investigating his claim. The claim proved to be false. In conclusion, the word claim is a versatile noun that signifies a demand for something considered rightful. We've explored its definition, its use in everyday language, synonyms like assertion, demand, request, right, and title, and antonyms like denial, rejection, renunciation, disclaimer, and abandonment. We've also looked at various example sentences and phrases to illustrate its usage. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show. Now, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word claim and share it in the comments below. Until next time, happy learning!